Hello and welcome to another episode of Current Affairs MCQ. Let's begin with previous day question. Consider the following statements regarding the polar vortex. It is a large area of low pressure and cold air that rotates around the Earth's polar regions. It exists year round, but it weakens in summer and strengthens in winter. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C. The polar vortex is a large area of low pressure and cold air that rotates around the Earth's polar regions. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The term vortex describes the counterclockwise flow of air that confines colder air near the poles. Polar vortex exists year round, but it weakens in summer and strengthens in winter. Hence, statement 2 is correct. When the polar vortex is strong, it keeps the jet stream stable, preventing cold air from moving south. However, when the vortex weakens, a disrupted jet stream or narrow band of strong winds, which usually moves in a straight line, becomes wavy, allowing Arctic air to flow farther south. This disruption leads to extremely low temperatures, several storms, and extreme weather, including snowfall and freezing rain. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Let's begin with today's session. Consider the following statements regarding the India-Maldives Defence Cooperation. India carried out Operation Cactus in 1988 to prevent a coup attempt in the Maldives. India's Operation Neer provided around 2,000 tons of water to the Maldives during the 2014 male water crisis via INS Kiltan and INS Nirdeshak. The Dosti exercise involves India, Russia and the Maldives, focusing on enhancing operational synergy and interoperability. How many of the statements given above is or are correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. The correct answer is option A. India has been a key defense partner of the Maldives, intervening as the first responder in times of crisis, as demonstrated by Operation Cactus in 1988 when India prevented a coup attempt in the Maldives. Hence, statement 1 is correct. India's Operation Neer delivered around 2,000 tons of water via INS Deepak and INS Sukanyan during the 2014 male water crisis. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. The Dosti exercise is a trilateral coast guard exercise involving India, Sri Lanka and the Maldives. Hence, statement 3 is not correct. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Next question. Consider the following countries: Armenia, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. Which of the above shares borders with Afghanistan? 1, 2 and 5 only, 1, 2, 3 and 4 only, 3, 4 and 5 only, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The correct answer is option C. Afghanistan is a landlocked country situated at the hub of South Asia and Central Asia. It has a population of approximately 28.6 million people. To the south and east, Afghanistan shares a border with Pakistan. To the west, it shares border with Iran, and its northern border touches the Central Asian countries of Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Tajikistan. In the far northeast, it shares a border with China. Hence, option C is correct. Next. The Future of Jobs Report 2025, recently seen in the news, is released by which of the following organization? World Economic Forum, International Labour Organization, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development or International Monetary Fund. The correct answer is option A. The World Economic Forum released its Future of Jobs Report 2025, highlighting key findings and changes expected to shape the global job market by 2030. The report, based on inputs from 55 economies, projected a net increase of 78 million jobs by 2030 and highlighted how technology, economic shifts and the green transition impact jobs and skills. WEF is an international organization for public-private cooperation headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. It engages global leaders to shape agendas across industries, regions and globally. Hence, option A is correct. Next. Which of the following statements about sonobees is or are correct? Sonobees are designed for one-time use and remain active for approximately 24 hours. Sonobees are capable of detecting only surface-level naval threats. The inflatable system developed by Sonobees serves to maintain communication with tracking ships or aircraft. Sonobees operate via underwater cables to maintain communication with tracking units. Select the correct answer using the code below. 1 and 3 only, 1 and 4 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is option A. Sonobees are expendable and operate for a short period, typically around 24 hours, and are designed to be used only once. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Sonobees are designed to detect underwater sounds, especially from submarines and ships, which makes them primarily useful in anti-submarine warfare. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Once a sonobee is activated, it deploys an inflatable system that stays afloat on the surface of the water. This system includes a radio transmitter that maintains communication with the ship or aircraft tracking the sonobee, facilitating real-time data exchange. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Sonobis do not rely on underwater cables. Instead, they communicate wirelessly with the tracking units using the inflatable system's radio transmitter on the water surface. Hence, statement 4 is not correct. Hence, option A is correct. Next, consider the following statements regarding the Toda tribe. The Toda tribe is classified as a particularly vulnerable tribal group and primarily resides in the eastern Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Toda lands are part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, which is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B. The Todas are classified as a particularly vulnerable tribal group and reside in the western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. The Toda language is Dravidian but is the most unusual and different among the languages belonging to the Dravidian family. Significance: Toda lands are part of the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, designated as an international biosphere reserve by UNESCO. It is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Religion and beliefs: their religious practices evolved around a pantheon of gods with goddess and god of the underworld as the central deities. Hence, option B is correct. Next, consider the following statements regarding Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago became a republic in 1962 after gaining independence from the United Kingdom. The country is home to Pitch Lake, the world's largest natural asphalt reservoir. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B. It is an island nation located in the southeastern West Indies near Venezuela and Guyana. Its capital is Port of Spain. It gained independence from the United Kingdom on 31st August 1962 and became a republic in 1976. The nation is a member of the Caribbean Community. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. Geographical features: highest point Mount Eripo, major rivers Otoiri and Caroni. Natural resource: Pitch Lake, the world's largest asphalt reservoir. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Mountain range: Northern Range, part of the Andes extension. Hence, option B is correct. Next, consider the following statements regarding El Nino and La Nina. El Nino represents a cooling of the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean's surface temperature, while La Nina signifies a warming in the same region. El Nino and La Nina cannot occur simultaneously. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option B. El Nino and La Nina are complex weather patterns resulting from variations in ocean temperature in the equatorial Pacific. They are opposite phases of what is known as the El Nino Southern Oscillation Cycle. El Nino is a climatic phenomena marked by the warming of surface waters in the eastern tropical Pacific, forming the warm phase of the El Nino Southern Oscillation. El Nino occurs more frequently than La Nina, the cool phase, which involves cooling in the same region. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. El Nino and La Nina cannot occur simultaneously because they represent opposite phases of the El Nino Southern Oscillation System. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option B is correct. Next, consider the following statements regarding earthquakes. The epicenter is the point beneath the Earth's surface where an earthquake begins. The hypocenter is the surface point directly above the earthquake's origin. Energy is released along a fault, which is a sharp break in the crustal rocks. Which of the statements given above is or are not correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. The correct answer is option B. An earthquake is the shaking of the earth. It is a natural event. It is caused by to release of energy which generate waves that travel in all directions. The hypocenter is the point beneath the earth's surface where an earthquake begins. Hence, statement 1 is not correct. The epicenter is the surface point directly above an earthquake's origin. Hence, statement 2 is not correct. Fault zones. Energy is released along a fault, which is a sharp break in the crustal rocks. Hence, statement 3 is correct. Hence, option B is correct. Next, consider the following statements. Article 5 of the Constitution defines who is a citizen of India either by birth, by parentage, or by acquiring it after having remained a resident in India. Indian law requires giving up Indian nationality upon acquiring another country's citizenship, which means losing political rights in India. Which of the statements given above is or are not correct? Only 1, only 2, all 3, none. The correct answer is option D. Article 5 of the Constitution defines who is a citizen of India either by birth, by parentage, or by acquiring it after having remained a resident in India. Hence, statement 1 is correct. Indian law requires giving up Indian nationality upon acquiring another country's citizenship, which means losing political rights in India. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option D is correct. Next, consider the following statements regarding the 69th Constitutional Amendment Act 1991. It introduced Article 239AA, establishing Delhi's Legislative Assembly and Lieutenant Governor with the LG acting on the Assembly's advice. The aid and advice clause applies only to matters under the state and concurrent list, excluding public order, police, and land. Which of the statement given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is option C. Delhi was initially a union territory listed in Schedule 1 of the Constitution. However, it was renamed the National Capital Territory under Article 239AA, which was added through the Constitution 69th Amendment Act 1991. The 69th Constitutional Amendment Act 1991 to the Indian Constitution added Article 239AA, making Delhi a union territory with a legislative assembly and an LG administering it with the Assembly's aid and advice. Hence, statement 1 is correct. The aid and advice clause applies only to matters under the state and concurrent list, excluding public order, police and land. Hence, statement 2 is correct. Hence, option C is correct. Now, it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. Primary waves are the fastest seismic waves resembling sound waves that travel through gases, liquid and solids and are the first to reach the surface. Long waves are horizontal waves with sideways motion and have no vertical displacement. Rayleigh waves are seismic waves that cause elliptical ground motion, spread out the most and move vertically and horizontally in a vertical plane. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.